Want to quickly see what's inside your Windows PC without digging through settings? Command Prompt has several built-in commands that can show your Windows version, hardware details, memory, and more. In this guide, I'll show you the most useful ways to check system information using CMD. Let's get started. Start with the systeminfo command. Type systeminfo and press Enter. Windows will display a detailed summary of your computer, including the operating system, system manufacturer, processor information, installed memory, Windows version, and network-related details. If you only need basic Windows version information, use the VER command. Type VER and press Enter. It quickly shows the Windows version number without filling the screen with extra information. Yeah, this is useful when you just need a quick version check. To find your computer's name, type HOSTNAME and press Enter. CMD will display the current device name. This can be useful when identifying a computer on a local network or when following remote support instructions. For more specific hardware information, you can use Windows Management Instrumentation commands. For example, WMIC CPU getName can display the processor name on Windows versions that still include WMIC. On newer Windows installations where WMIC isn't available, use PowerShell or another supported system information tool instead. You can also use systeminfo to see your total physical memory. For more detailed memory information, Windows systems may support commands through PowerShell or other built-in tools. For a quick check though, systeminfo is usually enough to confirm how much RAM Windows detects. To check basic network information from CMD, use IPconfig. It shows your network adapters, IP4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. For more detailed information, add the /all option. This is especially helpful when you're troubleshooting a connection, and that's how to check your system information using CMD. Start with systeminfo for a full overview, VER for Windows version, HOSTNAME for your device name, and IPconfig for network details. These commands give you a quick picture of your PC without opening multiple settings pages. Yeah, that's it.